Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you use Trello power-ups? So everything you need to know basically about Trello, okay? So let's just go ahead and search it here first before we begin, okay? So basically Trello is a popular project management tool that uses a board card system to help individuals and teams recognize tasks and workflows. So it's intuitive, visual approaching basically makes it a favorite for various types of projects for personal and professional basically. So one of Trello's powerful features is its power-ups, so which are integrations and add-ons that enhance the functionality of Trello on the basically Trello boards. So this guide will help provide basically a detailed overview of Trello. So, and yeah, Trello basically boards are the highest level of organizations in Trello. They represent projects or big categories of tasks. They can be used for anything aside from tracking a personal to-do list to managing a complex team project. So, lists are columns within boards that help you organize tasks into different stages or categories. So, basically, the common uses includes of a project, e.g., basically to do, in progress, basically anything. So, or different categories of tasks like developing, testing. That's just basically one of the best tasks there. And yeah, cards are the individual items or tasks basically within lists. So cards can represent tasks, ideas, or pieces of informations. They can be basically removed between lists to reflect their current status or category. So, colored tags used to categorize or prioritize cards. Basically, you could set due dates, set deadlines for tasks, keep projects on schedule, and checklists used within cards to break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Okay, and especially attachment like files, links, images that can be attached to cards for easy reference, used for communications and specific cards, basically allowing team members to discuss detailed updates. So, to create a dashboard, click on basically create a new board. That's just it. So, options from Trello dashboard, you can name your dashboard, choose a background, and basically set privacy settings as well. So, right now, organizing and managing basically is really important key part of this as well. So, when we talk about power-ups, basically power-ups are Trello's way of integrating external tools and adding features to enhance the functionality of boards. Each power-ups offers unique capabilities ranging from additional features to integrations with other applications. So there's a lot of power-up types. There's calendars, add a calendar view to see due dates in calendar format. We have the butler, automates tasks and workflows with custom rules and commands. We have the card aging, basically visualizes cards that have been updated recently, making it easier to spot neglected tasks, basically. So, one is Slack. Also connects Trello with Slack to receive notifications and updates directly into your Slack channels. So, allows you to attach files from Google Drive to Trello cards and view them directly within Trello. So, reports basically provide detailed analytics and visual reports on Trello board activity. Time tracking power-ups as well. So integrate with time tracking tools like Harvest to track time spent on tasks directly from Trello. Okay, so GitHub connects Trello with GitHub to sync issues, pull requests, and commit with Trello cards, basically. We also have the Jira power-up. So integrates Trello with Jira or Jira, I don't know how to pronounce it really, for managing software and development projects and tracking issues. So that's how the power-ups work. Okay, so connect with Trello with hundreds of other apps and services, enabling complex workflows and automations, basically. So integrates basically Evernote. We have Evernote also from Trello. Integrates Evernote with Trello to attach notes and documents to cards. Now, when we talk about limitations and considerations, the power-up limits as well. Trello offers a limited number of power-ups per board for free users. This limits can be increased with Trello's paid plans. So, some power-ups can affect performance of Trello boards, especially if they introduce complex integrations or basically heavy data processing. Okay, it's really important. So some power-ups can affect performance of Trello's board, especially if they basically introduce complex integrations, or basically that's it. Be cautious about granting power access to your Trello data, especially with third-party integrations. Ensure that you are reputable and secure when we talk about power-ups. It's a really powerful thing, okay? You really have to be cautious. So utilize power-ups like Butler to automate common tasks such as moving cards, signing tasks on triggers. And that's just it, guys. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.